Every story begins with an idea and a way of seeing. Our mission to give that idea a tool it can rely on. We work with lenses that already carry a history, preserving their character while bringing their performance up to modern standards. Rehousing of each lens begins with a deep understanding of how it behaves and renders the image. From there, everything becomes mechanical. Precision in movement, consistency in operation, and reliability under real working conditions define the process. The character remains. Now it's ready to meet the image.